Who taught you how to do that?
I do you.
Nah, who taught you how to do that?
I said, I need hard.
Who taught you how to do that?
Oh, that's like this one.
That's not them pictures, man.
Can watch this one?
Them pictures.
Watch this picture.
Who taught you how to do that?
I said, run around. Run around, get it.
You what?
I said, run around, get it.
Right around you getting it.
Get it.
Right around you getting it. How old are you?
2.
You ain't 2.
3.
3.
Yeah.
What's that?
This.
Nah, that's 3. What's that?
A water star.
Mm.
And 3.
Mm-hmm.
And that's like Angry Bird.
No, I won't play no Angry Birds.
That's like another Angry Bird.
No.